Hey team, welcome back. Today's workout is foam rolling. This is a recovery workout. 15 minutes is all it's gonna take you to feel amazing. Great to throw in on a rest day, or maybe you had a tough workout, you could finish with this. If you're new to this channel, welcome. Do make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell so you not miss any workouts. And if you want more, make sure you click that join button below to get access to over 200 workouts and more. Go ahead and put the foam roller in your upper back. And we're gonna roll kind of from the mid back up. Arms come up in front, lock in the elbows, and then lift the hips up, and then just start to make your way up and down that upper back here. If you need to, you can have the hands underneath the head here to help you get some neck support. Just watch your hair. Now we're gonna do each movement here for 50 seconds so that you can really get in there and that we can really flow through hitting the entire body. Now if you want to get a little bit of the armpit, you turn a little bit to one side, you can reach the arm, and then I'm gonna turn to the back. And then if you find a spot that's really tense, like stay there for a moment. Make it your own here. All right, we're gonna take it to the hips. So you're gonna sit on your foam roller, take the front leg, cross it over, and then start to get into that front glute. Now I used a timer today just because we're gonna be super efficient. And here's the deal with this, is consistency that's the key. Just because you do it one time every now and then does not mean it's gonna make that much of an improvement. So it's gotta be 2-3 times a week for you to really get those benefits. This helps to work the fascia. All right, make sure you're kind of turning and moving around. If you find a spot that you're like, oh my gosh, stay there for a moment. All right, we're gonna get ready to do the other side. So reverse that here. We're gonna take that back leg, cross it over. And then when you're ready to, just start to move up and down with that roller. And sometimes you have one side that is definitely tighter than the other. As you're doing your rolling here, make sure you kind of focus on your breath. Deepen that breath. And did you have a side that was tighter than the other? Once we're done with this, we're going to take it underneath that front leg for the calf. That is a neglected area. All right, so sit on your mat. Front leg is gonna go underneath. So I have the roller kind of kicked out to that side. You're lifting the hips up and then just kind of twisting that leg one side to the other. And if you really want to get in there, you can crisscross those feet. Whoa, right? That's like intense. But think about it. Your foundation, those feet and those calves, you know, they really affect everything in your body. Make sure you get way up in that calf too, at that right, almost behind the knee. We're gonna work our way up this right side, so let's go hamstring. So we're gonna keep the hips lifted and start to roll. Now, one thing too to hit is maybe turn the foot inward, get a little inner thigh. If your arms are getting a little tired, right, take a break. All right, we're gonna go a little bit on the IT band. So we're gonna turn to you. You can drop that front foot in front of the leg and kind of roll on that IT band. It's very sensitive because there's not a lot of meat there. You can even go behind. Ooh, you find a spot. We're staying with this leg. We're gonna turn. I'm gonna push my foam roller a little out. Quad. So either on the elbows or the hands. So if you want to be on hands or elbows, you make that choice. Now this is over. Everybody's gonna go, oh my gosh, right? You do a lot of working out. These quads work overtime for you. And I like to rotate a little bit too. I go back to that IT band sometimes. Go all the way up. And you could work in increments of like a patch, like a 2-3 inch patch. All right, we're gonna come out of this. Ooh, feel a difference? Calf on the other side. I'm gonna face you, Diane. And you could even, you don't have to even lift the hips off the floor. You could just roll that foot side to side. So I can't tell you how important it is to work on your mobility, flexibility, the stretching. All that is gonna help you more so in those workouts throughout your day, just life in general. And it takes, like, it gives you a moment to pause. Or if you find that spot that's really a killer, get in there. Ooh. Making our way up, go to that back of the leg, that hamstring. So you can even hit a little bit more of that glute too if you want to. And get a little inner thigh. And then if you want to, you can start to work your way into getting into the IT band. That's the one that's, whoa. Can even come to the elbow to hit it. This is definitely something that I practice. I do foam roll 2-3 times a week at the end of the night. Okay, make your way into that quad. Either on the hands or on your elbows. Foam rolling can be done even before a workout. So if you want to bring blood flow to those areas, you could just spend like 2-3 minutes rolling an area, especially the quads and the calves. And I would include the glutes, right? Next move, we're going to be on the stomach. The foam roller will be out in front of you. We're going to do back extension with the hands on the foam roller. So all the way down. The hands will be on the roller, but mainly the heel of the hand. Fingers are off the roller. And then you're going to squeeze the back side, lift the chest, roll it towards you, and then reach it back out. As you're rolling it towards you. Let your shoulders go down. Think about them relaxing down, eyes look up. And you squeeze that backside. Push into the hands on that roller so your shoulders really do compress down. Nice job. Push yourself into child pose. Stepping the back leg forward into lunge. And then you're gonna just grab that roller to help you with some balance here. In that lunge, lean a little forward with your hips and then press through the fingers on the roller. Shoulders are down, so your torso is really lifted here. Tuck the toe, lift the knee from the mat, and then turn that back foot. Grab your foam roller. Let's just do a little reverse warrior. Oh, that feels good, right? And let's put it down. Let's do the other leg. So step forward, step it back, knee to the ground, and then push those hips forward. Really give me length, right, through your whole spine from those hips up through the crown of the head. And this helps to really open you up in that front of the body, especially if you're doing cardio, a lot of strength, you're using those legs in that core section. All right, we're gonna tuck here, lift the knee up, turn the back foot, grab the roller, reverse warrior. So reach up and back. Give me more length there, Catherine. Reach it up. There we go. And then lean back. Great job. Ooh, turn front, straddle stretch. Hands on the roller. Take it out, drop the chest. You're gonna bend your knees. You're gonna bring the roller back. You're gonna heel toe in slightly. Grab the edges of the roller. Roll yourself up. We're gonna take those arms. We're just gonna circle them around one direction and then go the other direction. Really reach it up. Working on some mobility. And then we're gonna come down to the ground. Your foam roller is just gonna relax. We're done with it. I want you to sit with your right leg extended out, left leg tucked in, and then drop that chest to the knees. So listen, oh, right? You're like, oh, now I really feel like I can get into that stretch. Your body is nice and warm. It's a little bit loose. And then give it an extra little pull here. Take that foot that you have there, stomp it to the outside, give it a twist. Let's do all that on the other side. So extend out that left leg, right foot goes in. Big inhale, and then when you're ready to exhale, fold it down. Take yourself up. Let's stomp that foot to the outside. Give yourself a nice spinal twist here. Gets into the glute. Chest is up. And release. Oh, how you guys feeling? Oh, wide straddle here. Just finish this off. Walk it out. Walk it back to your body. Go ahead, and if you want to sit crisscross or whatever feels most comfortable for you, roll the shoulders back. And then you just do a check-in with your body, right? How's it feeling? How are you guys feeling? Feeling good? I think this was Cheeky's first time foam rolling. How do you feel? Good. I think maybe a little painful in the beginning. Yeah, but oh, it's so good for you guys. Big inhale, reach it out, reach it up. Pull it into that heart and be grateful for this body, for all that it can do for you. Big inhale and let it go. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm so proud of you for taking time out of your day. I know your days get busy, but this is the stuff that can really get you stronger and get you further in the goals that you may have. I want to say thank you to my crew. I'm not going to run around because I feel pretty chill. I'm just going to sit here and say thank you, crew. And thank you. If you enjoyed it, just thumb it up, comment below, and do it again. That's all I want you to do is just hit play 1 or 2 more times because you're going to start to feel the results. We will see you at the next workout. Take care.